Hold up, tech fans! OnePlus just dropped a bombshell. The OnePlus 13s, powered by the beastly Snapdragon 8 Elite, is coming to the US on May 15th. With a stunning 6.8-inch 2K AMOLED and blazing 100-watt charging, this compact flagship is ready to shake things up. Want the full scoop? Let's dive in. Why is everyone buzzing about the OnePlus 13s? It's not just another phone, it's a compact powerhouse that's set to rival the big dogs like Samsung and Apple. Teased for a US launch in just 10 days, this phone promises flagship specs in a sleek package. Ready to see why it's worth the hype? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about that screen. The OnePlus 13s rocks a 6.8-inch 2K LTPO AMOLED display with a buttery 120Hz refresh rate and up to 4500 nits of peak brightness. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or scrolling, this screen is vibrant and sharp. Plus, its compact 8.15mm design, weighing just 185 grams, comes in black velvet and a bold pink satin, OnePlus's first pink finish. It's got a premium ceramic guard and an IP68 rating for water resistance. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset is a beast, delivering 40% better gaming performance than its predecessor. Paired with up to 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage, this phone flies through apps, games, and multitasking. Running Oxygen OS 15 on Android 15, you get a clean, customizable UI with AI features like Detail Boost for photos. OnePlus promises 4 years of updates, so this phone's future-proof. Power? No problem. The OnePlus 13s is expected to pack a massive 6,260 mAh battery, OnePlus's biggest ever, keeping you going all day and beyond. With 100-watt super walk charging, you can hit 100% in under 40 minutes. Plus, it supports 50-watt wireless charging for ultimate convenience. Whether you're a power user or always on the go, this phone's got your back. The OnePlus 13s is shaping up to be a compact flagship killer, blending top-tier performance, a gorgeous display, and insane charging speeds. Set to launch in the US on May 15th, it's poised to steal the spotlight. If you want a phone that delivers premium vibes without the premium price, this is it. Can't wait to get your hands on the OnePlus 13s? Head to OnePlus.com to sign up for updates and be the first to grab it on May 15th. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more tech hype, and drop a comment. What's got you most excited about the 13s? Let's geek out together!